Hey Rose, this being your Slice here. Back when I was your welcome back to my channel. So anyways, I got those 4-pack. We have Cruz beers with Express Racing, Jackson Storm with Blast Wall. You have Edwin's, Frank's, or finally we have Roscoe Kyle Woods from this is Pixar Cars 3, or Cars 1, or Cars 2. So I know you have to say this now, so I'm happy to got a few updates right now. So I'm gonna get Cruz for beers right for me now. So should be a next gen team for me idea. So I'll be right back to Super D. I will get Cruz for beers right away. Alright, where's Cruz for beers for Rusties? Cruz for beers for Rusties? Cruz? Okay, here's those Cruz reviews have to say now. So I remember here all this announcement made by Disney Pixar Cars 3. I would have to say this now. So let me get Jackson Storm right away. Alright. We have a Richard Jackson Storm we got. So I would have to say this now from this racing competition. They have Barry Power on this was 1 week ago, or Trunk Fresh or Lightning McQueen. So I could be here somewhere, I guess, because I would have to say this now, so we're gonna get hot to it. Alright, let's get those up now by now. Starting with Cruz for beers. I would Cruz for beers who all this right now, so I would hear some of our guests. So he's put by the next gens only by now, so let's check on him on the box we got. He's number 51. That's very perfect. Not bad, I think. Here's the rims or the blue paint. It's already all set to go. So here's Cruz for beers. Just like the same like Cruz right there. This one have a smile like this, or a smile like this. I bet Cruz does have no smile. It took us 3 days ago from having it ready to go. So I would Cruz for beers have to say this now. So I remember here all this for now. So alright, here's on the back on the box. Here's Cruz on the box. Let's check this for hot to now because I would be here somewhere. I guess here's Cruz have to say this for now. Alright, let's get moving right now with Jackson Storm. Alright, here's XOS on the box. XOS for CR. He's ready to go. So let's get hot tour. You get Jackson Storm. Alright. Let's get Jackson Storm hot to it. Alright, here's Jackson Storm. He's part of the bookies for me, my next gens. Alright. Just be like that. Here's Jackson Storm. I gotta get a new one. I'll be right back here, gamers. Alright, boys, we got this brand new truck by the way. So anyways, let's continue. So I'm going to have to switch now. So great. I gotta get another one again. Okay, let's see how to deal what we got. There we go. This truck may do a trick. Alright, let's get hot with now. Here's Cruz with the bison. I think I have to say this now. So here's Jackson. He served a couple rookies made by with glass ball. Well, here's the back on the box. He's so beautiful. Here's this on the box. Let's get this opened up right now. I would Jackson Storm have to say now, so I'm going to be here somewhere guest. I would a couple rookies made by Jackson Storm for my idea ready to go. So here's Jackson Storm. He's a couple rookies next gens. He's got number 20. The orange rims over there. Here's grade 1. Here's Queen Boy, Sunshine Pizza Cup. Number 20 on the box. Here's blue rims. Blue Rocket Racer. Here's number 20 on the box. Here's this over there. Looks like the rims. Here's Jackson Storm. So I knew Jackson be here somewhere guess so it'd be a bunch by the next chance only because try to do your best. So I want Jackson Storm have to say this for now. So here's those Rocket Racers made by Disney Pixar Cars 3 with my idea ready to go. So let's get on to it with the Raider Springs Classic. Alright, we have Ed Wind Cranks. So here's on the back on the box. He's got this brand new paint. He's so beautiful now. Alright, here's what we found. We had Doc Hudson made by Disney Pixar Cars. Alright, let's get this up now right away. So I knew Doc Hudson says now. Let's get this opened up. Just leave it like that. Alright, stay right there. Don't. Hey! Don't move. Here's Edwin down the box. He's so beautiful now. So here's Bunch Party made by Raider Springs. Got the Splendor Classic eyes. He's so beautiful with the paint. So amazing we got over there. Here's the green rims or the white paint. Tires. They got no headlights. Here's the brand new virtual rim. Here's white paint. Here's green rims. I think I take that yes, maybe it doesn't feel have to say this. So I know it have to say this now, so we got this virtual brand new paint. Job made by Raider Springs made by Cars 1. So I'm gonna hear all this right now because try to do your best. Alright, we have the final last one. We have Enjoy Car Root. Alright, let's get this opened up right away. So let's get this. Here's the mark on the box. Here's cool. I gotta find one more coin, or I found Shokuroku, I guess. Let's get this opened up. Alright, I'm gonna have to say this now. So here's this guy out in the box. He's so beautiful. It's made by Disney Pixar Cars 2 for my guest. I would have to say this now, so make sure to like this bell or make sure to link the message below. So I'm gonna have to say this. Here's Number 6. Here's the GRC. What's his name again? Raul Caru. Here's on the back on the box. Do you have headlights? Got one more stickers. There's one over there. He's got the window over there. Here's the eyes on the mouth. So, here's the red rim from the Grand Prix. No stickers on the box. He's so beautiful now. So, here's those 4 out of the box. So I will look up. I got finished the movie made by Rocket Racers. Disney Pixar, Cars 3, opening tomorrow. Until the opening for part 1 or part 2. So I got people this movie tomorrow made by Cars 3 made by next gen. So make sure to like this video, subscribe for this video. And I see you guys on the movie tomorrow before I will be preview on this Rocket Racers next gen versus Lightning McQueen. So make sure to like this video, subscribe. I see you guys on the next one, and I see you guys tomorrow. So make sure to like this video. Bye now.